If you are looking to making your smartphone user experience better generally, try installing these 5 applications that I'm going to show you. I've been using these apps and I absolutely love them, so if you consider installing any of these applications I'm going to mention, I've linked them in the video description. The first app is called Preview. If you've been wondering how some Instagram accounts have amazing looking feeds, then that's because most of them preview their feed with a different application to see how it will look before they actually post them. In order to create a nice looking Instagram feed, then you need an application called Preview to help you plan your Instagram posts to create an attractive Instagram feed. The app is available for both Android and iOS. Once you install, you can choose to add your Instagram account or not. Just add the photos you've planned on posting, and then you get a chance to arrange them to create a beautiful look, and then go ahead and actually post them, just like how you've arranged them in the Preview application. Not only the general feed, you can also preview Reels, Stories, and even plan TikTok videos with this application. It is free to use, the link is down in the video description. The next app is called LINKTREE. LINKTREE is an application that allows you to share multiple links on social media through one unique link for free. As a smartphone user, you might have created accounts on many social media, whether personal accounts, brand or business accounts. By just sharing one link, many people can see your various social media, business or website links. This is mostly used on Instagram since it does not allow you to share multiple links in your bio, comment or even post captions. So with just one unique link, you've shared many links. This service is free to use. You can download the app or visit their website to create your link tree. There is also a paid version for extra features, but you can do so much more with the free version. You can change the appearance of the links page. It also comes with analytics where you can view the engagement from people through the unique link. You should definitely try using this application. Moving on, VOLV is an application that lets you read articles, trending news in a summarized format. As simple as that, in less than 20 seconds, you can read and discover many stuff that is happening around you and all over the world. Once you install and select the categories of news, articles or trending stories that interest you, then you read as you go by swiping up. It is a free application to use and gain more knowledge about latest stories. It is available for Android and iOS. Links are down in the video description. Next is Me Notes. Ever since I came across Me Notes, I've never felt reluctant in keeping notes on my phone. That's because Me Notes has this minimal, clean, simple material design that makes note-taking a thing for me. Not only note-taking, but you can also add tasks and set reminder. Sub-notes can be nested into a folder. You can pin folders or notes, change background appearances. I love using this third-party note-taking application. Unfortunately, it is not on the Play Store, but there is a link in the description for you to download the APK. That means it is not available for iOS. Now to the last and my favorite on this list, we have TickTick. TickTick is a very common to-do application which never lets me down on my daily schedules. It is very reliable, and the simplest way I use this application is through its widgets. Once I set my to-do list, I get a reminder when the time is up. I can set recurring reminder, and it also works very well. Not only is it good with reminders, it also helps me to focus for any duration I set. Generally, you can change the appearance of the application and the widget, customize the reminder notification sound, sign up with your Google account and link it with the Google Calendar. I use this app daily and it is my favorite. Definitely try it out. Leave a comment, let me know some of your favorite applications you've been using. I hope the applications I've mentioned will be useful to you as well. Consider liking this video and ultimately subscribing to my channel to help me if this video seemed helpful to you. Thanks for watching.